So my name is Vanessa Aguilera. I'm an attorney here in Marion County in Indianapolis. I practice through the whole state of Indiana. My focus is family law. I'm bilingual. Soy Vanessa Aguilera, mucho gusto. I'm here as an attorney. I'm here as a mother. I'm Puerto Rican by birth. I'm Colombian. I have a dual citizenship with Colombia and the United States. I'm here because I wanted to give some advice to folks that have contact with folks that are undocumented and things that they need to think about to have prepared in case they are separated by their families. So I let the crowd know simple things that you should have, documentation, think about guardianships, let family members know where you keep your documents for your mortgage, your car, basic things that people don't think about that they might need. Documentation so their children are taken care of if they get separated. One little tip which I thought everyone found interesting was that we're so reliant on cell phones that we don't memorize each other's phone numbers, and if the first thing someone's going to do is take away your phone. So something as basic as starting to memorize your phone numbers is something helpful. So I was here, Christina asked me to come. There was so many people here, so many stories to share. We're wanting the camps to close. It's inhumane. We don't support as Hoosiers the separation of families. We're sick and tired of this administration and their disrespect to Latino families, and so we're here as Hoosiers to support the end of the camps that the government doesn't seem to care about, shutting them down. So, and privatization and making money. So we're here as Hoosiers that can vote. A lot of us here, and we need to know that we need to spread the word that we need to vote these people out. And in 2020, I hope that we see Trump go bye-bye. So thanks for your time. That's a hard act to follow. First, I do want to thank, is it David? David. Can you hear me now? Okay. I want to thank David with Luna Translation. That's a hard job. He's an amazing job. Give him a hand. Mi nombre es Vanessa Aguilera, nací en San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm worth more than a paper towel, by the way, Mr. Trump. I'm going to speak in English and let David do his job because it's hard to go back and forth. I am an attorney. First of all, I'm a mother of an 8-year-old.
Soy una abogada y también soy madre de un niño de 8 años.
I wanted to have her here with me, except she was afraid that Trump would take her.
Quería que mi niña viniera hoy, pero ella tenía miedo que Trump se la iba a llevar.
She sees her mom cry all the time, which I will today.
Ella ve que su mamá llora todo el tiempo y lo voy a hacer hoy también.
Told Christina I wasn't sure if I'd be the right speaker.
Le dije a Cristina capaz que no era la persona apropiada para hablar.
My daughter said that Trump would find a way, he always does, to break families apart.
Mi hija dijo que Trump iba a encontrar una manera, porque siempre la encuentra, para apartar a las familias.
That he would make up a new rule to take her away from me.
Que iba a crear una nueva regla para quitarla de mí.
So I didn't make her come today.
Así que hoy no la dejé venir.
That was my privilege.
Ese fue mi privilegio.
Because she lives in the safe house where she's loved both by her parents and she's not fighting a civil war in Honduras.
Porque ella vive en un hogar donde los dos padres la aman y no está peleando una guerra civil en Honduras.
But we all know that all those children don't have a choice and they come here for a better life.
Y sabemos que todos esos niños no tienen esa misma oportunidad cuando vienen por una vida mejor.
I am from Spain, I'm from Germany, I'm pre-revolutionary US, from the Irish Republic, Colombia, and Puerto Rico.
Soy de España, de Colombia, de la República Irlandesa y de Puerto Rico.
I am a global woman.
Soy una mujer global.
When I heard that ICE was stopping people here in Indianapolis, someone called me and I put a post on Facebook.
Cuando me dijeron que Trump estaba separando familias en el borde, alguien me llamó y yo puse un post en Facebook.
I had no idea that it would go viral.
No sabía que iba a ir viral.
I let people know because I have a set of skills that could be helpful for my community.
Estoy dejando saber a la gente porque yo tengo habilidades que puedan ayudar a mi comunidad.
I'm a bilingual attorney and I practice family law here in Indianapolis.
Soy una abogada bilingüe y practico ley de familia aquí en Indianápolis.
So what I can do for people is do guardianships.
Lo que puedo hacer por usted es guardianes, ley de guardián.
So I'm here to give you some practical information as a lawyer for people who are trying to help people who have been detained by ICE.
Le voy a dar un poco de ayuda a ellos que están tratando de ayudar a los que han sido detenidos por ICE.
So what can families do to protect themselves first if they're at risk of being deported?
¿Qué pueden hacer una familia si está a riesgo de ser deportada?
Make sure that you have your financial matters in order.
Asegúrate que tus cosas financieras estén en orden.
Make sure that you do power of attorneys for financial issues.
Usa el poder de un abogado por temas financieros.
Make sure that you put together a form that allows your sister, your cousin, or your grandmother to take your children to the doctor or able to make decisions at school.
Asegúrate que lo pongas en escrito, que le das permiso a tu hermana o a tu tía o a tu familiar a que pueda llevar a tus niños al doctor o hacer cosas en la escuela.
But that might not be enough, and you might need to have an actual legal guardianship.
Eso capaz que no sea suficiente y capaz que necesitas tener ser el guardián legal de niños.
A lot of conversations are about the minor children in the camps, but we're not talking about incapacitated adults.
Estamos hablando mucho acerca de los menores, los niños en los campamentos, pero no estamos hablando de los adultos incapacitados.
So who's taking them to their doctor's appointments and who's making major decisions in their lives if their parents who were taking care of them are now detained?
¿Quién los está llevando al doctor? ¿Quién está haciendo las decisiones grandes de su vida si sus padres han sido detenidos?
Who's managing their bank accounts, helping them pay their rent or get their medication?
¿Quién está manejando su cuenta bancaria, ayudándoles a pagar el alquiler o a conseguir su medicación?
No one's talking about those individuals with special disabilities.
Nadie está hablando de estos individuos con disabilidades especiales.
Are the individuals who have special needs, how are they being treated in these camps?
Estos individuos que tienen necesidades especiales, ¿cómo los están tratando en los campamentos?
Individuals who need medication, we're hearing they're not even getting it.
Individuos que necesitan medicación, escuchamos que ni siquiera la reciben.
So when you're talking about guardianships, one thing I want you to know, temporary guardianships are only good for 60 days.
Una cosa que tienen que saber, que ser guardián temporal es por 60 días nada más.
That's by statute, so then you're going to have to need a permanent guardianship.
Eso es por estatuto, así que tendrías que hacerte guardián permanente.
One of the things that you also need to remember is that we're all super dependent on our cell phones, right?
Otra cosa que sabemos es que somos súper dependientes de nuestros celulares.
Guess what happens when ICE detains you? They take your phone.
¿Qué pasa cuando ICE te detiene, te quitan el celular?
We have to start memorizing our family's phone numbers.
Tenemos que memorizar los números de teléfono de nuestra familia.
No one thinks about that basic issue. If they take my phone, I'm going to be embarrassed, but I'm not sure I remember all the numbers of my husband's phone number.
Nadie piensa esa situación básica, pero si me sacan el teléfono, no voy a poder contactar a nadie en mi familia porque no tengo el número memorizado.
Make sure that a loved one has your picture, your child's picture, and a birth certificate so they can put you together, because right now they're not able to find your children when they separate you. We all know this.
Asegúrate que una persona querida tiene tu foto, la foto de tu hijo y un certificado de nacimiento, porque ahora están separando a los niños y ni siquiera pueden encontrar dónde están los padres.
We know it's hard to save money, but try to save some money. Tell folks to do that because your children are going to need it while you're gone.
Es difícil guardar dinero, lo sabemos, pero van a tener que hacerlo porque va a ser difícil apoyar a los niños cuando no están.
Other couple of things. If you are going to be detained, obviously you don't know that's coming, but if you're undocumented, you always run that risk.
Nunca sabes si vas a ser detenido o no, pero si sos una persona indocumentada, siempre está el riesgo.
Make sure your family members know who your mortgage is held with.
Asegúrate que tus familiares sepan con quién es que tienes tu mortgage.
Who do you bank with? Who holds your car note?
¿Cuál es tu banco? ¿Quién tiene tus recibos del coche, del auto?
Anybody thinking about when the mortgage doesn't get paid for 3 months, what happens?
Piensen, ¿qué es lo que pasa cuando no pagas una hipoteca por 3 meses?
What if you stop paying your car? It's going to get repoed, right?
¿Qué pasa si dejas de pagar los pagos en tu auto? Te lo van a quitar.
So grandma is taking care of her U.S. citizen grandchild while mom and dad are detained and everything falls apart.
Así que la abuela está cuidando a niños mientras los padres están detenidos y todo se cae.
So make sure you tell your friends to please keep those documents where your family members can find them, because as a lawyer, that's what I'm seeing.
Asegúrense al decirle a sus familiares que sepan dónde están estos documentos para poder encontrarlos, porque esto es lo que yo estoy viendo como abogada.
If you're involved in a lawsuit and you don't show up to court, they're going to have a default judgment on you. So those documents need to go with your family members as well.
Si te mandan para ir a la corte y no te muestras, van a hacer un juicio, te van a dar el penal de todas maneras, así que tienes que estar pendiente.
So as an attorney, I wanted to be here today and just share that practical information. It seems common sense, but people don't do it, and then there's more problems.
Como abogada quería venir aquí a compartir esta información práctica que es básico, pero muchas veces no lo pensamos.
And finally, for those of us that can stay out of the shadows,
Y finalmente para nosotros que podemos no salir fuera de las sombras.
please be involved, run for office, understand the legal process.
Por favor, involúcrate, trata de conseguir un oficio si puedes.
Entiende el proceso legal.
Understand the legal process.
Work on campaigns. Be a voice for those who don't have a voice.
Trabaja en una campaña, sé una voz para la persona que no tiene una voz.
Let your elected officials know that this is not okay.
Deja a tus oficiales elegidos saber que esto no está bien.
Get people registered to vote, and please encourage others to vote.
Registra a todos los que puedas y dale el apoyo a otros para que se puedan registrar también, para votar.
Don't let your friends and your families and your members be passive.
No dejes que tus familiares o tus amigos sean pasivos en esto.
They would like to see a show of hands of everyone who's registered to vote.
¿Quién está registrado para votar?
Okay. And some cars are going to get towed here, so we're going to wrap it up. So here,
5 or 10 minutes.
okay.
So, I mean, we don't have to wrap it up. They just need to move the 4 cars that are right here.
4 cars that are right here need to move.
This parking lot at all.
This is private property behind us. You can't park here. So if this is your car, you need to move it.
The parking lot is further down.
Parking lot is further down.
But you're going to have to go around the block from 73's one way.
Okay. So wrapping it up here, again, don't let your family and friends be passive.
No dejes que tu familia y tus amigos sean pasivos en esto.
If we protect our planet, we protect our future.
Si protegemos nuestro planeta, protegemos nuestro futuro.
If we protect our children, no matter where they were born, we fortify our future.
Si protegemos a nuestros niños, no importa dónde hayan nacido, fortificamos nuestro futuro.
If we protect the sanctity of family, we instill kindness, goodness, and a future where we can together be stronger.
Si protegemos la santidad de la familia, vamos a crear un futuro donde vamos a ser más fuertes.
Be vibrant, esteemed by God, whomever we pray to.
Sé vibrante, estimado hacia Dios, a quien sea que le ores o reces.
I pray we will all promise to vanquish the evil,
Oramos que todos vamos a prometer a quitar este mal,
the evil that inspires hatred, that demolishes hopes and dreams, and that we strive together for a better, kinder place.
el mal que promueve el odio, para que podamos apoyarnos el unos al otros para vivir en un mejor lugar.
With your help, all of us united to protect children and families, we can build and we will build a better world.
Todos unidos con tu ayuda vamos a construir un mejor mundo.
Thank you.
Can find you.
People over profits. People over profits.